Hello everyone, let us cover a small topic in 2 or 3 minutes. A short note can be asked in examinations on carbuncle. A carbuncle can be defined as infective gangrene of skin and subcutaneous tissue. You can remember this flowchart, which helps in remembering definition also. Here it goes. Whenever there is infection, and carbuncle only obviously. We are talking in relation to carbuncle. Infection, development of small vesicles which form sieve-like patterns. In that, skin get red and indurated with discharging pus. These pus points, you can say, fuse to form multiple discharging sinuses. In addition to this, there is blockade of cutaneous vessels which leads to gangrene. So there is infection and there is gangrene, and the definition is infective gangrene of the skin and subcutaneous tissue. So the causative organism is mainly Staph aureus. Common sites are mainly nape of the neck and the back. It can also occur on the shoulder, hand and forearms and other areas also. This is common in patients who are diabetics, and it occurs commonly in males in their 40s. Investigations that are done to diagnose and for treatment are: first we send pus, which is from discharging sinus, for culture and sensitivity. We also get the blood sugar levels for diagnosing diabetes if the patient is not diagnosed previously, and if he's been diagnosed, to know the current diabetic status. We also do urine sugar and ketone bodies. Now the treatment is, the main treatment is excision of the carbuncle, or we can also do incision and drainage with the debridement of all that tissue. We give antibiotics, mainly penicillin groups, which can be changed later according to the culture sensitivity. And also the treatment of diabetes mellitus should be considered, or it should be definitely considered. This was the small topic of carbuncle. Thank you.